question. Do you have accounts that been charged off on your credit report? Because if you do, you can get them removed just like this, like this, like this, without waiting 7 long years. And it's all because of these 2 things that nobody knows about. And I'm gonna explain how and why. See, the reason why you can get that charged off, removed from your report without waiting 7 long years is because of this hidden law that 99% of people don't even know exists. Let me show you really quick. All right, check this out. If you Google 15 USC 1681 EB, right, and you click on it, compliance and procedures. Now, what you want to do is scroll down and go down to letter B, right? Accuracy of report. So whenever a consumer reporting agency, which is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, right, prepares a consumer report, which is your report, it shall follow reasonable procedure to assure maximum possible accuracy of the information concerning the individual about whom the report relates. So what does all that mean? Let me show you. So I'm assuming, right, just like how I was, like, what does that law actually mean? So when you have, I'm gonna show you how to get access to this report, right? Or a report that looks similar to this based on your credit profile, right? So as you can see, remember what we just read, assuring maximum possible accuracy. So the report has to assure maximum possible accuracy. So when you look at the date open, this has to be the same exact date on TransUnion, on Experian, on Equifax. Everything has to be 100% accurate. So the law backs up. When you look at your report, this will allow you to remove this account or the charge off your report. So if you look at the date open, check it out. TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, one have a different date, right? And then if you look at date of last activity, right? This has one date, this has this date, and this has another date. Last verified, this has one date. Experian don't have a date. Equifax don't have a date. Okay, and there are other discrepancies with this or with your account that you can see that will allow you to remove the account off your report. Now, let me show you how to get access to your hidden credit report so you can leverage that law in your report to, you already know, knock the credit bureaus out to remove those negative accounts off your report. So step 1, you want to go to hiddencreditreport.com, okay? Then what you want to go to is, it's going to pull up this screen. You're going to click on Smart. It's going to be Smart Credit, right? And you're going to sign up, okay? And then from there, you're going to click on, once you log in and put in your information, you're going to go to Reports, okay? And then from there, when you click on Reports, you're then going to click on 3B Reports and Score. Then what you want to do is click on Switch to Classic View. This is why it's hidden. Most people don't even know this specific function exists. So click on Switch to Classic View. Now, once you click on Switch to Classic View, now it's going to have a list of all your accounts, the open accounts, closed accounts, the inquiries, personal information, everything having to do with your report. And then once you look for the charge off that's holding your score back, and look what we just checked out. See if it's reporting correctly. Look at the open date. Look at the date of last activity. Look at the date last verified. Check the payment status. If you see anything that's incorrect, you can get it removed off your report without you waiting 7 long years. Please, can you do a favor for me? Can you share this information to other people before they take it down? Thank you very much for watching this and also sharing it.